Hello stunning fan, Michelle here. Today we're making a woodsy themed garland out of an unwanted almond tree that sprouted up in our backyard. We are using our new Saker mini 4-inch chainsaw to take down the tree to repurpose the wood. The saw worked great. It cut right through the wood just like butter. Once we had our branches, we took them into the shop to use the chop saw to cut the branches into 1/4 inch to 3/8 inch wood rounds. Once we had all the wood rounds cut, we used a cordless drill to drill a hole in the center of each of the rounds. That way we could string them on our garland like beads. We wrapped a piece of Scotch tape around a string of twine so it would easily go through the beads without fraying. Then we tied a good-sized knot and alternated stringing our homemade wood slice beads with some round wood beads we already had on hand to make the garland. We are a lifestyle channel that features a variety of content from cooking, unboxing videos, to anything that can be a DIY style project. And we would really love it if you would like and subscribe and hit the bell so you can be notified the next time that we decide to share one of our projects. Thanks for stopping by and have an amazing day.